Okay, this sheet is in your packet. Most people have picked up the packet. I think I said that. But let's put a due date of tomorrow at, say, 5 o'clock. I'll check that to make sure that this homework is done. Just the front, and we'll deal with the back tomorrow in tomorrow's lesson. Okay, we've got essentially 3 types of bonds. Chemical bonds can be either ionic, covalent, or metallic bonds. And it has to do something with the electronegativity. And we'll talk about the electronegativity tomorrow. We just learned about ionization energy. How difficult is it to take an electron off of an atom? But this is a more simplified version, and it will work. So all you have to do is identify whether the substance or substances are metals or nonmetals. That's it. And we know how to do that, I believe, because we've already seen the let me rotate this. You've got a periodic table at home, hopefully, in your folder. I see Avi's folder still here. I should bring that down. But here's the ladder, yes? Anything on the ladder is a metalloid, except for aluminum and polonium. And everything to the left is a metal, and everything to the right of the stairs, those are all nonmetals. Okay, just to remind you. So, if we have to identify whether it's a metal or a nonmetal. If it is a metal and a nonmetal, the bond is ionic. If it is a nonmetal and a nonmetal, it is covalent. And if we have 2 metals, we say that it is a metallic bond. So I'll do a couple of those for you, and then I will post it. I want you to actually send it in to me. You can take a picture of that and then send it in through the Google Classroom, I believe. You can take that with your phone. Other kids have already done that. So I won't post this until after you've sent it in. Okay, so sodium is a metal, chloride is a metal. So I'm element 1, sodium is, I'm just going to put an M just to save a little bit of time. M is going to indicate a metal, and the chlorine is a nonmetal. So if I have a metal and a nonmetal, it is an ionic bond. Metal, nonmetal, ionic. Sulfur is a nonmetal. Oxygen is also a nonmetal. So in this case, I've got a nonmetal and a nonmetal. That means it's going to be a covalent bond. And we'll do one more. Copper is a metal. Zinc is a metal. So I would put Cu, metal. Zinc, metal. And if I have a metal and a metal, it's a metallic bond. So this shouldn't take you too long. So fill the rest of that in. Take a picture of it, or yeah, you'd have to take a picture of it, I guess, and then send it into to Google Classroom. I'll check you off.